Hey Bennett Babes, my name is Jose, and today I'm going to show you how to create 3 different brow styles with Precisely My Brow Pencil. We're going to start with my Insta Babes. We're going to do a bold brow, crisp, clean, really sharp to get that Instagram look. The second style that I'm going to show you how to do today is going to be a feather brow, and this is for my Bennett Baddies. This is going to be a little bit more feathered and rebellious. And the last style that we're going to be doing is for my OG Bennett Babes. It's going to be a very natural brow, on the go, quick and easy. We're going to start with a bold brow, and the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to grab Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I'm going to use this spoolie to brush all the hairs down. And I'm going to start carving my brow just to make it really defined. So later on, when I start filling in, it's easier for me. So the second product that we're gonna be using is gonna be Ka-Brow, and this actually has a brush in it, so we're just gonna go ahead and pop it off, turn it around, and go to town with it. I always like to start at the bottom just to make it really defined, and then start filling all the tail of the brow. So the trick for this look, it's gonna be to focus all the product at the end of the brow, leaving the front a little bit more fluffier and feathery. You know, it blends in with everything, even though we're going for a very bold look. So the next step on getting a bold brow, we're gonna be using Boing Industrial Strength Concealer to sharpen up and clean up my brows. I'm gonna start right under my arch of the brow and just being really precise with it, and then blend it down once you apply it. Okay guys, so this is my finished look with the bold brow. She's ready to slay Instagram trending. She is gonna stay home. Like, look at her. No, that's not acceptable. She's good to go. So for the second look, I'm just gonna go ahead and brush all my hairs up, and then I'm just gonna start doing hair-like strokes up all through the brow from the beginning to the end, and then you can go again with the spoolie and just blend everything in. Now for the last step, I'm just gonna go ahead and use Gimme Brow Plus. This has fibers in it, so it's also gonna add texture and volume to your brows, and it's also gonna hold your hairs up all day so you have a perfect feather brow. Okay guys, so this is the finished look for the feather brow. As you can see, it has a lot of detail. It's crisp and fluffy. She's just ugly. For the last look, we're gonna go ahead and do a very natural brow. I'm gonna start filling in all the sparse areas just to give it a fuller look. And for the last step, I'm gonna use the 24-hour brow setter, because if you are a woman or a guy on the go, you want those brows to stay in place. And this is gonna do the job, so you just brush it through and you're good to go. Okay guys, and this is the third look, our natural brow. It only took me 2 seconds to do, so it's perfect if you're on the go. Okay Bennett Babes, that's it for today's video. We completed 3 beautiful looks featuring Precisely My Brow Pencil. Make sure to comment down below which one was your favorite, and follow me on my Instagram at JL_Rodriguez. And until next one, bye Bennett Babes.